And for the latest on the Ukraine war against Russia, we go to the CNN.
The battle is underway for control of Ukraine's capital, Kyiv.
In Kyiv and in key parts of the country, our army is in control.
A senior U.S. defense official says more than 250 missiles have been launched at Ukraine as of Saturday. Cameras capturing Russian armored vehicles streaming toward Ukrainian territory. The U.S. offering to evacuate Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. Zelensky refusing.
We are not putting down arms. We will be defending our country because our weapon is truth.
Dramatic video showing Ukrainian citizens standing in front of Russian tanks attempting to stop them from moving forward.
Stop the war!
In the U.S., support for the Ukrainian people shown across the country in Atlanta, Georgia, New York City, Washington, D.C., and beyond. The Biden administration approving $350 million in security assistance to Ukraine. Some officials fear it's still not enough. Russian President Vladimir Putin already has more than 50% of his total assembled power inside Ukraine, according to a senior U.S. defense official.
I'm deeply concerned, and I fear that unless we step up additional military aid swiftly, that they are going to be overwhelmed.